This is how to win in the world of Bitcoin. I have two charts. I'm going to walk you through them, and it's a lot simpler than it looks like from what's on the screen. So let's go. All right, you win in Bitcoin by spending it at a price that is higher than the price you bought it for, thereby undoing the effects of inflation. For example, if you bought Bitcoin in 2023, you spend it in 2024, you were up, I don't know, 150%. You bought Bitcoin in 2024, you spent it in 2025, you were up 100%. And that pattern keeps repeating. But because the price chart on a daily basis, which is on the left side of the screen, because it looks so jagged, people don't really understand what's really going on here. So it looks scary. They're like, but I don't know what to do. It's kind of all over the place. It goes up and down. So what's actually going on here is Bitcoin is spending on this left chart about 7 months in the ballpark of $28,000. Yeah, there's a little bit of time below 20,000. There's a little bit of time above 40, but overall, it spent about 7 solid months. You'll see on the bottom right chart, 224 days, around $28,000. A lot of people did not buy Bitcoin around $28,000 because it felt like it was going nowhere. For 7 months, it was up and then it was down. Look at all this grind in here. Well, eventually something did happen relatively quickly over the course of a month or two. It got up here to $74,000 in March of 2024. And then it ground sideways for 8 solid months. You'll see this on the chart on the right. For 246 days, it was within 10% of $64,000. So how do you win at the Bitcoin game? Well, the answer is when it's grinding and being boring down here around $28,000, you buy some. And then you can sell it to buy what you need for your family and your life up here a year later at $64,000. And that's like a massive, epic uplift in the price between $28,000 and $64,000. Everything is radically discounted. What's going to happen? Well, what's going to happen is this pattern eventually is going to repeat. I don't know if it's going to be a 125, 132, 146, 165. Heck, I don't know. I mean, maybe we'll get lucky and it's like 180. 220. I don't know. It's probably not that big for where it's going to grind around because the whole thing, what's actually happening here is the pig in a python, right? So the question is, the python swallows the pig around $28,000. And everybody's like, ooh, the python's hungry. It's going to infinity tomorrow. It's like, no, the python swallowed the pig. What's going to happen when a python swallows a pig? Well, it's going to take some time to digest it. That's what happens. One second.